Good morning. This morning we're going to learn about zoo animals' habitats. Let's get started.
This book is going to be about grasslands. At the zoo, you can see many animals who live in grasslands, and you'll see that their exhibit or habitat at the zoo closely resembles what it is in real life. What are grasslands? Grasslands are lands of grass. Animals live in the grass. It is a busy habitat. The prairie. A prairie is flat. It is hot in the summer and it is cold in the winter. Deer eat the grass. This makes it short. Few trees grow. Look at how many deer are in this picture. They go all the way back there. Prairie dogs dig. Hawks spy. See the hawk and then the prairie dogs dig and they live under the ground. The savanna. A savanna has hills. It is warm all year. See, it's similar to the other prairie we saw in this picture, but the hills are what makes it different, and it doesn't get cold here. The grass is tall. Elephants graze. Zebras run. Lions hunt. They all live together in the same habitat. Fire. A fire burns the grass. The roots do not burn. The roots are where? Are they on top or are they under the ground? That's right, they're under the ground. Rain falls. Grass grows. Grassland animals grow too. You can see the storm clouds right before the rain. And this was all about that type of habitat. Let's check out another habitat. This book is about the rainforests. This is going to be different from the habitat we just learned about. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a land of tall trees. It is a wet habitat. Lots of rain falls here. Look how green everything is from all of that rain. Treetops cross. They form a canopy. Little sun gets in. See how they overlap? They make the canopy, which keeps the sunlight from reaching the bottom. In the trees, plants and animals live in the trees. Vines grow up the trees. Animals climb the vines. A sloth goes from tree to tree. Frogs hide in the leaves. Look at the bright colors on this frog. He needs to be brightly colored to match the plants where he lives so that he's able to camouflage or hide. The tree tops are loud. Parrots sing and monkeys howl. On the floor, the forest floor is still. Roots stick out of the trees. A butterfly rests here. Big cats hunt. A crocodile cools off in the mud. Its jaw is opened wide. Look how wide that's open. Do you think it's hot or cold in the rainforest? Why do you think that? One of the reasons I think it's warm in the rainforest is because when it's warm here, all of our plants are brightly colored, but when it gets cold, a lot of our plant leaves fall off and turn colors. So the pictures make me think of someplace that is warm, like when it's warm here in the summer. Look up in the rainforest. Look down. Animals are at home from top to bottom. See, the mountain gorilla is living in that tree right now. Let's see what other places we can explore. We were just looking at the rainforest, which is warm. Look at the cover of this book. Do you think this book is going to talk about a habitat that is warm or cold? I agree. You can see snow and ice. This is going to be about the North and South poles, which are very cold. 2 poles. The Earth has 2 poles. One pole is in the north. The other is in the south. So they're on the opposite ends. The North Pole is in the Arctic. It is a cold habitat. Ice caps the ocean. So when the water in the ocean freezes, ice forms on top. Polar bears live here. Fur keep them warm. See, look, they're using the frozen water to walk and get across. The snow is deep. Foxes dig for food. The foxes that live by us aren't this color. Why do you think the foxes that live here are white? That's right, to blend in, to camouflage. The South Pole is in Antarctica. It is cold here too. Ice tops the land. Penguins live here. Feathers keep them warm. A seal naps. His belly is full of fish. Winter is long at the poles. The days are dark. Summer is short. The nights are sunny. Life is cool at the poles. Look how beautiful this picture is. But what they're telling us is the animals that live here need a habitat that is always cold. At the zoo, it's important that they keep the animals' enclosures cold, so it will be like the habitat where they live. I hope you enjoyed learning about all these different habitats. Have a great day.